Hey there, are you experiencing knee pain during jumping, bending, or squatting, or even a sudden stop during running?
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Physio PJ, and for today's video, I will be talking about what is jumper's knee, or also known as patellar tendinopathy. And also, I will be giving 5 rehab exercises to solve your knee pain once and for all. First, we need to know what is a jumper's knee. It is a condition characterized by inflammation of your patellar tendon. So your patellar tendon can be found here. It connects your kneecap to your shinbone. Jumper's knee is caused by an overuse of your knee joint, such as frequent jumping on hard surfaces. This condition is usually common in basketball and volleyball players. Upon repetitive stress, your tendon may become inflamed, thus causing irritation. It has also a factor with your leg muscle contraction and the ground reaction forces. Before we proceed with the rehab exercises, our main priority here is to reduce the pain and inflammation on your patellar tendon. We want to limit, avoid, or modify our sports or activities that can trigger the pain. It's really imperative to put cold compress every 4 hours for 15 to 20 minutes and do that for 3 to 5 days just to reduce the pain, swelling, and inflammation on the patellar tendon. We also want to do some deep friction massage to prevent joint stiffness and to allow mobility on your patella. You can do this by applying a transverse cross friction massage in your patella. You can straighten your knee, apply this massage for 2 to 3 minutes, 3 to 4 times in a day. We also want to provide some patellar mobility. Find the inferior border of your patella and apply some upward motion, and you can also apply a sideway mobilization. Your goal here is to prevent the stiffness on your patella and allow your patella to move as your knee bends. You can perform this for 3 to 4 minutes every day. For your first rehab exercise, we want to improve the mobility and the flexibility of your knee by stretching your quads muscles. Stand shoulder width apart, and you can also place your hand next to a wall. Just bend your knees, then grab it with your other hand and stretch it backward while leaning your body forward. Maintain a good straight line with your body and hold this for 15 to 20 seconds for 3 sets. You can also do this every day just to provide flexibility on your muscles, which is the quads. For a second exercise, we want to do a wall squats. Place your feet shoulder width apart and make sure you're not caving in with your knees. Point your knees outward, then maintain a straight position with your body against the wall. Then bend and hold this for 10 seconds, then back again. Our goal here is to do 10 repetitions. If this is hard or difficult to do, you can also bend a little bit as long as you can feel the contraction on your quads. You can progress this exercise by elevating your heels against the wall. Make sure you're not caving in. Go down, hold this for 10 seconds, then up. And if it's too easy for you, you can progress this with one leg. So go down and make sure your body is against the wall. As for the single leg, you can also do 5 seconds hold, then up. For a third exercise, we'll be doing chair squats. So just use the chair as a feedback, and you don't want your knees to come off ahead of your toes as you go down. So we want to stick a butt out first, then go down. So this is just a drill for your quads to be contracted first instead of putting the load on your kneecap. Stick your butt out, then go down slowly. It's really important to go down slowly with this exercise because your knee pain depends on the force and the speed of your exercise. Perform this for 3 sets of 15 every other day. Or for a fourth exercise, this is called a reverse backward lunge. So instead of forward lunge, we'll be using this exercise to load your quads instead of your kneecap. Our cue here is to go down with your back leg, Perform these 3 sets of 12 each leg. You can also do alternate backward lunges. For our 5th exercise, this is a drill or an exercise to practice the force absorption of your quads. You want to mimic the activity of your sports, especially basketball or volleyball, as we are landing to our spots. So we don't want to go fast with this exercise. Keep your toes or knees high, then go down and bend your knee, your hips, and lean forward. And we want to introduce a slow force absorption on your quads. And if you can feel a pain on your kneecap, make sure to do it slowly. As I go up with my injured leg, I want to go up both of my hands and simultaneously go down as if I'm jumping with one leg. And take note, I'm not landing with a hard leg. I want to let my quads absorb the weight as I land. So perform this drill 1 to 2 minutes. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions regarding with the exercise, you can message me or comment down, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends.